Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Before we get started, I wanted to introduce you to the new grill or griddle. It is the 22-inch Blackstone Griddle. Picked it up at Walmart. Come with the stand, this hood, and today is the first day I used it. I got it seasoned up. Cooked some bacon on it. I cooked a few burgers, but just wanted to show it to y'all. It's got 2 burners on it. And it is the 22-inch Blackstone Griddle. Let's get started. Alright, so I got this thing on about medium-high heat. I got this piece of junk thermometer here. It says it's about almost 500 degrees. So it gets over 600 degrees. But we're going to start out with a little bit of onion. Get that on there. Might put a little bit of oil down. Just a tad bit on the onion. They won't take long. I'm going to keep the onions, you can't even see. Then I'm going to keep them over here on this back side because it don't get as hot. Now what I have here is 3 ounces of 80-20 ground chuck. I just made into a ball like that. I've got 2 of them. Throw that on there. And our other one, throw it on here, just like that. And then we're going to make smash burgers. So this is what I'm going to be smashing it with. Works pretty good. Going to stick it over it like this with this piece of wax paper, or use parchment paper. Wax paper is all I had. That, I'm going to smash it down just like that. Do this other one too. Same way. Okay, and after I got them smashed, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Cracked black, if I can get it out of there. There we go. Now I'm going to let these things cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. They're pretty much going to almost fully cook on this one side. Give them another minute and we'll flip them. Alright, these things have been going probably about 3 minutes or so. You see how they're looking? They're starting to bleed through a lot. Now, time to flip them. That nice crust on them. Oh yeah. That one's got a better crust than that one. And then pretty much as soon as we flip them, go ahead and add some good old sliced classic American cheese on each one. Man. Let them go just for maybe another minute. So after about another minute on that side, go ahead and stack this bad boy right here. And burger's pretty much done. I'm going to sit him over here because I've got this side off. Move these onions right here. Let them finish cooking. Oh, I got some bacon too that I cooked earlier. I'm going to throw it over here. Just kind of warm it up a little. Right now, I got a bun. And we're just going to put it on there, soak up some of that grease. Oh yeah. Stir them onions around a little bit. Alright, so bun's toasted up. Nice. Alright. Onions are cooked. Now let's build this bad. Alright. I'm going to use this banana pepper mustard I got at the Kroger's. And that's all I'm putting on it. Put a little bit on the bottom. Just like that. Grab the burger right here. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Burning my hands. A little bit of bacon. And the onions. Should have put the onions on first. Let me get them on there. And right here is our burger. Looking mighty fine, ain't it? I think so. Alright, let's give this burger a try, y'all. Sure was a mighty fine burger, y'all. Cheers, and thanks for watching.